My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Audi A6. This vehicle has done just under 62,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our touchscreen we can access our key features, which are media and radio, smartphone integration and navigation, mobile apps and our car functions. Just below we have our climate control as well as heated seats on either side. If you put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.